Stop. Right now, there's a silent assassin in your pocket that's draining 40% of your natural motivation every single day. And the worst part, you invited it in. You're feeding it, and it's disguised as self-improvement. I'm about to expose the one thing that's secretly sabotaging your drive, and once you see it, everything clicks. Let's go. It's called comparison consumption, and it's literally rewiring your brain chemistry against you. Every time you scroll past someone's transformation, their business win, their productivity setup, your brain doesn't get inspired. It releases cortisol, stress hormone. Your brain interprets it as you're falling behind, you're not enough. Do this 20, 30 times a day, your nervous system thinks you're failing at 30 different things simultaneously. So what does it do? It shuts down your motivation as a survival response. But here's the real killer nobody talks about. You're not just comparing results anymore, you're comparing speed. Someone built a six-figure business in 4 months. Someone got shredded in 8 weeks. Someone learned Spanish in 90 days. And suddenly, your steady progress feels like you're standing still. This is velocity comparison, and it's psychologically brutal. Studies show it tanks intrinsic motivation by up to 40%. That's not inspiration you're consuming, that's poison. Here's what actually works. Motivation isn't something you lack, it's something being drained from you. So you plug the leak with 3 moves. Move 1. 7-day comparison fast. Unfollow anyone who makes you feel behind, even if they're motivational. If content depletes you instead of equipping you, it's gone. Be ruthless. Move 2. Private progress tracking. Create a wins document nobody sees but you. Only look backward at your own growth, never sideways at others. Your competition is yesterday's version of you. That's it. Move 3. Consume education, not aspiration. Switch from watching what's possible to learning what's practical. From wow to how. Within 2 weeks, your motivation doesn't just come back, it explodes because you stop hemorrhaging drive energy into the comparison void. That energy redirects into actual progress. Here's what most people miss. Every minute you spend consuming someone else's highlight reel is a minute you're not building your own. You think you're getting ready, getting pumped up, getting inspired, but you're actually just getting distracted from doing the work. The people you're watching, they're not watching anyone, they're building. That's the difference. So here's your challenge. Start your comparison fast today. Right after this video, go unfollow 5 accounts that make you feel behind. Then, open a note and write down 3 wins from this past month, no matter how small. Feel that shift? That's your real motivation coming back online. Drop a comment with one goal you're taking action on this week. No comparisons, no competition, just you versus you. Let's go.